राधे राधे एंड अ वार्म वेलकम टू राधा कृष्ण टेम्पल्स। तो एक दिन हुआ यूं कि महाराज कुबेर अरेंज्ड फॉर ए महाभोज इनवाइटिंग ऑल द देवास, देवतास and rishis to flaunt his opulence and wealth. He went to Lord Shiv and invited his entire family. But Lord Shiv made it clear that my family includes the entire world. Kuber was stunned. He was not going to feed the entire world, lest his wealth will get depleted. So Lord Shiv asked Bal Ganesh if Bal Ganesh could go as a representative of the Kailash family. And Lord Ganesh agreed, readily agreed, but on one condition. Kuber would need to satisfy his hunger. Kuber thought to himself, it is going to be definitely easier to feed a small boy as compared to the entire world. So he also readily agreed. He got into his Pushpak Viman and started thinking about how astonished the visitors would be looking at his opulence and Vishal Bhavan. And that happened. On the scheduled date when the Devas and Devatas and the Rishis started walking in, सारे के सारे मेहमान दंग रह गए। ये विशाल भवन, हीरे जवाहरात, नौकर चाकर, धन धान्य सब देख के लोग बिल्कुल हैरान रह गए। And just at that time, Lord Ganesh came swaying inside the palace. Because Lord Ganesh is Param Pujya, Kuber had him seated and gave him the first bhoj. Lord Ganesh started eating, and Kuber, who was already puffed up with his pride, started feeding Ganesh more and more. But he forgot the single ingredient of love and devotion that always seems to satisfy God's hunger. Nevertheless, he started feeding Ganesh, and Ganesh started eating and eating and eating until the entire pantry was finished. After that, Lord Ganesh started devouring Kuber's wealth, his diamonds, his treasures, and ultimately his palace. Kuber was left with nothing. Just then, Mata Parvati appeared and offered a tiny modak to her son. That seemed to have satisfied Lord Ganesh's hunger. Kuber realized that all the wealth and riches that we have are not for boosting our ego, but they are for caring and sharing with the community. Kuber was filled with remorse and begged Ganesha for forgiveness. Ganesha returned all his wealth to him. And then Kuber opened his bhandar for the needy and poor. From that day, whenever we do Lord Ganesha's puja, Kuber Maharaj की उनके साथ पूजा जरूर की जाती है. Now, on this auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, this Saturday on 22nd August, let us invoke the blessings of Lord Ganesh, who is the Lord of 64 Kalas and 14 Mahavidyas. आइए हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन पूजा में पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए. All you have to do is get your Ganesh idol and log on to our link, register on radhakrishnatemple.net and participate in a Vidhivat detailed Pran Pratishtha puja for your Ganesh. Do not miss this opportunity as we fill up your experience with stotras, chants, and a beautiful cultural program at the feet of Lord Ganesh. Radhe Radhe.